The monkey started observing everything. He watched how birds moved their wings. He watched how wind worked. He even tied leaves to his arms. He jumped again, and he failed again. This time he got hurt. The other monkeys said, "Stop dreaming. You are wasting your time." Even the bird said, "You are not meant to fly." That night, the monkey sat alone and thought, "Maybe I am not meant to fly like them, but maybe I am meant to fly in my own way." If this story made you think, share it with someone and subscribe for the next part.